My name is John Reuter and I'm the Director of JRCM Commercial Joinery in Adelaide, and we've won an award for the interior finishes, which was the Her Majesty's Theatre project. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, it's just a little bit of thank you to the amount of work and pressure and grind that goes into this type of work. So yeah, very proud, and I'm sure my team back at work will be just as proud. So yeah. Probably the challenge, I think, was the best part. Probably the challenge and actually the finished product. You know, to see people come in and have a look at the theatre now, they should be proud for, like, it's got to stand the test of time from now on. So 50, 100 years time, hopefully it still looks as beautiful as it does now. So deserve it or not, it's just great to see a little bit of recognition for the performance that we've done, I suppose, already before the first act starts. So yeah, that's probably it. It's not so much deserve it, but it's recognition to something that we put a lot of blood, sweat and tears into. So